Hi, I'm Lou and I love my ZTR mower, but the blades are getting old and it's time to replace them. You know you have a problem when after you mow a fresh strip, there's a rooster tail right down the middle. I popped a wheelie up onto my stoop and put the mowing deck all the way to the top so it's easier to work on. This is an old mower and I've cut the front of my deck off to make it easier to cut down brush, which is probably why my blades are all beat to heck. But anyway, there's the bolt right there, and that's a 15/16, and you can just use a crescent wrench or a socket if you've got it. Easiest way to get these off is to put your foot on the blade and pull like heck with your hand. The nut on the other side just does not want to come off, so I'm going to heat it with a torch. So I've got my foot on the blade, socket, ratchet, and an extension pipe. Okay, that nut is being obstinate. It's time to bring the heat. Impact wrench, nuts, old blades, new blades. So make sure you get a 6-point star. If your old one is a 6-point star, they also have 5 points. And here it explains our rooster tail. This thing is so worn down, it's about an inch short. Put these on with the label facing up. New blades are almost touching, so no more rooster tails. We're now back to a perfect cut, and the mower is a lot happier with sharper blades. I'll put a link to my other mower videos over there and the blades in the description. Thanks for watching.